Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the crude price has moved in the last 2 days and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at this chart, what we can see that the crude price was continuously falling, okay, after 6th of July, where we have seen a profit booking has come from a long side of a rally in the upside, but after that booking has come, we have seen a down side of around 64.99, okay, and from there it has fallen so hard and came to a level of 61.74. okay, now what you have to keep in mind that if we look at this level and to make a trend line, we can see that this trend line, if I'll show you with the help of the trend line, okay, this is the trend line we can see. Okay, so this trend line is already tested twice, so chances are high that if it comes, so keep in mind that if the price of crude comes around at a level of 62.5, then chances will be very high that it can break this trend line, can go further low. But as of now, I have already explained you that if we have look at a longer picture, that at this level, which is tested here once and tested here twice, at this level that it can bounce back a little again, and see it has bounced back so much that made a high of around 66.40 and now trading at this level. So what we can do, one option is that if it comes down again at this level 62 or 63, then we can see there can be a sharp fall in the price of crude. So if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description, and please watch the full video, then you will understand how this is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, and you can book our appointment also. If you have a big position or something, we can discuss it. See, okay, so now this is level I was already tested at around 61.8. okay, so if the price comes to around 62.5, around 63, then we can be on the sell side, and then the price can move and can touch a level of 60.35, and if it goes below that level, then it can touch a level of 58.83 also. okay, and I've made a previous video also about this. When the downside happen, it can happen, so you can check that also. Suppose if the price stays above a level of 66, so chances are high that it can go to a level of 66.91, and from there we can see a level of 67.84 also. Suppose if the price stays above this level, and this is only tested once, so chances are high that it can bounce back from this level. Or suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see a level of 69 also. And suppose if this level 69 is already tested twice, so chances are high that it can go to a level of 69.76 and can touch a level of 70.62 also. So this is an upside. Or if it goes above 70.62, then we can see a level of 71.48, and from there we can see a level of 72.94 also. okay, and 72.94 is not tested twice, so chances are high that it can bounce back from this level. Suppose, and if it crosses out the trend, we can see a level of 73.93. but what I'm saying here is that suppose you are making a profit of $5, or suppose $3, your quantity can be XYZ. so suppose if this $3 comes down to 2, please book your profit, because it is very important to book your profit. What people do mistake is that they in the greediness, they think that in order, if they are getting 3, they wait for 5, where 3 comes down to 1 also, and then they're not able to book the profit. So what I'm saying is, keep trailing your stop loss and book your profit if you think that your daily profit is fulfilled. Or suppose the profit percentage come down to 100, from 100% to 80% or 70%, you book a profit. So this is what I explained in my workshop. If you want to attend, you can mail me. okay, hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.